Hi, how's it going everybody? I'm Marty McFly.
And I'm Weird Al.
And we're here at All Seasons Heating and Cooling in the office celebrating Halloween. But our focuses are actually on the Christmas season. We are officially taking toys for Toys For Tots.
So please bring in your new unwrapped toys to our location or drop off to our technicians and when they're at your home anytime this season.
Absolutely. And every single toy that you donate, we're going to put your name into a drawing for a free tune-up, which we'll draw in January.
Yes.
Absolutely. And you know, you never know who you run into here at All Seasons Heating and Cooling when you drop off some toys. We could have some special guests. So that's right, at All Seasons Heating and Cooling, you never know who you're going to run into.
Oh, hey guys, sorry to interrupt.
What are you? I thought you were in the Santa suit.
No,
You
I've
just
been wearing the road cone the whole time.
But you just dropped off a toy in the Santa suit.
No, I didn't.
Did you see anyone in a Santa suit?
No,